Can you manage mobility issues including wheelchair, walker use, and Hoyer lift? You see, when families call us, one of the first things I hear is this quiet concern in their voice. My loved one cannot walk safely anymore. They use a wheelchair or a walker, or sometimes they need a higher lift. And what they are really asking is not about equipment, right? They are asking if their loved one will be safe, if they will be treated with dignity, if they will be handled with patience and and respect instead of being rushed. You see, at Providence Assisted Living Solutions, mobility support is not an afterthought, it is part of how we care. So, what we do is we assist residents who use walkers every single day. We make sure that the path inside our resident uh, uh, inside our residents are clear, the transitions are slow and steady, and no one feels embarrassed for needing help. We support wheelchair users with proper transfers, positioning, and daily movement so they stay comfortable and protected from falls or injuries. Now, and of course, yes, we also assist residents who require Hoyer lift transfers. This is important because a higher lift is not just a piece of equipment. It requires proper training. It requires teamwork and a calm communication. Our caregivers are trained to use higher lifts safely and respectfully. So we explain each step so the residents never feel startled or afraid. We move at the residence pace and not the clock space. So everything is calm, gentle, and properly communicated with the resident. Now, uh, for many seniors, needing help can feel like a loss of independence. Our role is to protect safety while preserving dignity. We talk to the residents, not over them. So we make sure that whatever thing we are doing, they are properly aware of. Now, we reassure them, we treat every transfer as personal because it is. And yeah, something families often do not realize is just that communication issue. So mobility needs can change over time, and someone may walk independently today, but use a walker next month and need more hands-on support later on. So our care model is designed to adapt to residents. It's designed to adapt to residents so that they do not have to move again simply because their mobility changed. So if your loved one needs help moving or standing, transferring or repositioning, you are not alone. We have walked this journey with many families and we understand how heavy that decision can feel. So if you need our support, I encourage you to call 713-568-6512. Come back, come by our home, take a look, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you.